Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Snapchat support code Ss06 on settings. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to this is window here like you say, and we will go down, we will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Snapchat app here, and this is window, we will just go down here to looking for Snapchat app and we will click here on Snapchat. Then we come here to next window, Snapchat window. We will click here on for stop and we will click here on OK. And you will just click here on storage. Then you come to storage window. You will click here on clear cache. Then you will click here on clear data. And you just go to Play Store and update your Snapchat app and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video about all Snapchat settings.